Have you heard about Jvzoo? Jvzoo is the hottest, one of the largest marketplaces with ClickBank to find affiliate products, especially digital products, in making money online niche, mainly. So in this video, I'm gonna cover how to sign up for Jvzoo, how to find hot selling products, and how to promote these products. So let's go to the video, and remember to subscribe to the channel.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Jvzoo. Jvzoo is a great place to look for affiliate products to promote, particularly digital affiliate products. And the great thing about Jvzoo is that it can offer instant commissions that are paid directly into your PayPal account. So you don't have to wait for a check in the mail like you do from ClickBank or some of the other affiliate sites. You can go straight in, make the sale, and you'll get the money in your PayPal account right away. Signing up is very easy. Click on the button here. It says Become an Affiliate. And you've got this page here which explains all about Jvzoo. And then go down to the bottom here and click on the button that says Sign Up Now. It's free. And it takes you through to this page. And the sign up process is actually very, very simple. All you do is you enter your full name, your email address, your password, and the country, which you can select from the pop-up menu here. You do have to declare that you're a citizen of the country that you've selected. And then you have to put in your telephone number, including the international dialing codes. So, for example, if you're in the US, you want to put 1 before the area code. If you're in the UK, you want to put 44, and so on. You then simply check the check boxes and click on the button that says Register. And as it says here, you're going to be called as soon as you submit this form in order to verify your phone, and you're not going to be able to use the account until the phone is verified. Now, it doesn't have to be a landline phone. It can be a cell phone or a mobile phone, but it must be one that you can receive calls from another landline. So you can't put a Skype ID or anything like that into it. So I'm just going to pause the video while I do this. And once everything's been verified, you'll be allowed to log in to the Jvzoo dashboard. And the Jvzoo dashboard gives you a very concise breakdown of statistics. For example, it'll show you the number of clicks, the number of visitors, the number of sales, the gross revenue, and your daily profit. And that will be for both today and yesterday. Obviously, because this is a brand new site, there are zero earnings or profits, but it does give you an idea as to how you can do this. Now, of course, once you're signed up for Jvzoo, you need to find some products to sell. And in the next video, I'll show you how to find proven hot selling products to promote in Jvzoo. Okay, now you're a member of Jvzoo, you need to find some proven hot selling products to promote. And I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. Okay, log on to Jvzoo at jvzoo.com, and then from the dashboard you want to select affiliates and find products, and that'll take you to this page. And there are two ways that you can find digital products to promote. You can either do a keyword search in this box, or you can drill down via category. I'm going to drill down via category for this demonstration. And keeping with our previous theme, I'm going to choose something in the health and fitness niche. So I'm going to click here, and then I'm going to select health and fitness. And then you can see there's different subcategories, but I'm going to keep it at the default setting of all subcategories. You can filter it to show all products, or you can just show front-end products, or you can show WSOs. And the display can be limited to the first 25 rows or right up to 250 rows. I'm going to leave it at the default setting. There's also some quick links that you can look at. You can look at the recent bestsellers today, past 7 days, past 30 days, and there are quick links to WSOs only, newest launched WSOs, and order by launch date. Now let's just take a look and see some of the information here. And you can also order it via some of these other categories here. You can have it by product title, launched, how many are sold, conversion, earnings per click, average price, commission paid, and the refund rate. And you can simply order them by clicking on the link here. For example, let's try and order it by conversion. And you can see some of the results can be a bit misleading, because when a product is recently launched and you only have a few sales, sometimes it might say, less than 10 sales and 400% conversion rate, which doesn't really ring true. Obviously, the more visits a website gets, the lower the conversion rate, because if you say you have 100 people who visit the site and 10 buy, then that's a 10% conversion rate, which is pretty good. But you might get 1,000 people visit the site and 50 buy. Well, that's lowering the conversion rate to 5%, but it's still more sales. So some of these stats can be a bit misleading. And you can see less than 10 sold. So this is a fairly new product, and some of these conversion stats can be a bit misleading that way. Let me just go back to arrange it by the default settings. Let's go back to that one. And let's just look at some of these best sellers. For example, here we've got, let's look at this one here. This is new. It says Whole Food and Lifestyle Juicing for Health and Wellness PLR pack with 270 pieces of something, CO, and it's sold 250 plus. The conversion rate is 13.34%. Earnings per click is $2.83. Average price is $21.24. Pays 50% commission, and the refund rate is 0.85%, which is very low. There's also a sales funnel. They've sold 500 plus of that. The conversion rate of that is 21.97%. Earnings per click is $4.25, and the average price is $19.34. The commission for the sales funnel, they don't usually give a commission rate or a commission percentage, and the refund rate is 0.51%. So that's pretty good. So when it comes to choosing a product, there are three things that you want to take in mind. First of all is the conversion rate. The other thing you want to look at is the commission rate and the refund rate. This is important as well. You want this to be as low as possible. So you want the commission to be as high as possible and the refund rate to be as low as possible. And you see here the refund rate is actually quite low. It's below 1%, which is pretty good. So let's just take a look at this one. I'll just click on this link here. And here we can see some information about the product, and you can request permission to promote it. And each vendor differs in the terms that they lay down for whether or not you can promote their product. Some will let you get instant commissions right away, even if you haven't sold anything before. Others will lay down some sort of terms. And it says here, join the affiliate contest, get all the details plus swipe product details here, and it's got a URL. And then it says affiliate terms. If you have less than 25 sales here and I don't know you, please answer these questions. Please tell me how you will promote this product. Do you have a site? If yes, please provide the URL. Are you a member of the Warrior Forum? Any other info so I may get to know who you are? And better still, you can measure me on Skype, and it's got his Skype contact details, and you can send him a message here for a pre-approval. Let's just take a look at some of the things to do with this particular product. Let's take a look at the sales page. We can click here on this button here. And this is the sales page, which looks quite well laid out. It loads fairly quickly. You've got Lots of eye-catching graphics. A lot of information about the product here. And scroll down a bit further. You've got a recap of what you get, ways you can use the content, etc., etc. You'll also notice that this product is on a dime sale. It's only got 6 more at $25.50 at the time that I'm making this video, and after every so many sales, obviously the price goes up. So that tells you what the product is. Let's just close that. And you can see here also it's telling you what the sale price is, $25.50, as we just saw, and what the commission is. And it's telling you it's a sales funnel, and the product is part of a sales funnel which includes 2 other products. You've got an affiliate contest. Let's just click that and see what it's like. You've got the start and end date of the contest. And it looks like the contest has actually ended. It's January 13th, 2015. So it has actually ended. And you've got the contest placements, and it shows the people who were the winners and so on. Let's just go back. And you can look at the vendor's profile. Let's click there. And you can see it lists all the other products that J.R. Lang has here. Quite a few, in fact. So if you like this vendor's products and your list or your website visitors like this vendor's products, then you can get more where they come from. And you can also subscribe to the feed and get notified whenever there's any new product launches by this particular vendor. Let's just close this one, and then we can go back and I'll show you how to do a search. And you can enter the keyword in here, let's say weight loss. And then search. And again, that's breaking down inside the health and fitness category. For example, here you've got weight loss content monthly PLR membership, and this says that it is a recurring payments. And this looks like it was launched last November, sold more than 500. Conversion rate at 21.85%, earnings per click $2.96, average price $13.56, 50% commission, and very low refund rate, and so on. And you can go through and find things that way. You can also have WSOs only if you wish. As you can see, some of them have sold quite a lot, and the conversion rate of some of them is quite high. This top one here, Affiliate Mini Site Secrets, that's 76.88%. So spend some time once you've signed up for Jvzoo to go through and look at the products. Drill down to find one that's going to suit your audience, and then contact the owner and get approved to start promoting it. And as soon as they've approved you, you can start to either have it on your site or send an email to your list telling them all about this product. And of course, if you sell a lot of products for one particular creator, you might well win the affiliate contest and be notified about upcoming launches. So there you go. That's how to find hot selling products to promote in Jvzoo.
Hey, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to learn more, if you want to learn step by step how to promote affiliate products, go to johnvianney.com. Remember to subscribe to the channel, you set your name and email in the page, and get the step by step training along with my free ebook about making money online with affiliate marketing.